y'all. So hers is more diverse colors, which I really like. Really do like these. Like, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Like, baby, stop playing with her. So, ooh, she got the mint green. Oh, yo, the lash vendor loves this. It's like, what? Ooh, let me box this one. I just wanna, you know, I'm gonna have to take me a piece of it. I'm gonna have to take me one, just to show y'all how it looks on my eyes. And if you follow my Instagram at Egyptian E collection with 2 N's, it should pop up. So Egypt with an I instead of a Y. Egyptian is spelled the same. It's E collection. It's spelled different. It just got 2 N's, and you should find me. And look, y'all, that can't get no better. Like, let me dim it down. Like, y'all, that's pretty. That's too cute. I don't have a box made already. Nope. So let me make one. Yeah, I don't want to go to work. I want to just sit here and make YouTube videos all day. I might do that until I go to work. Get my book out and see what YouTube videos I need to make. Y'all, that's too cute. That's too cute already. Like, too cute. Let's get into the other one. And I'm gonna make this bright again. Oh, thumbnail. Hold on. Okay. Get them thumbnails in. So maybe like when I go through this and I have to screenshot for that thumbnail, cause Camera gonna have to get that thumbnail, okay? So we got that box open for that one, and we're gonna start off with the other colors. Now, I have worn purple before, and people realized I was wearing color lashes. Like, they thought I dyed the lash, and I said nope. I said I didn't dye the lashes. They came like that. And then it was like, oh, that's pretty. Where can I get them? I was like, from me. What do you think? Where you can get them? From me. I'm wearing them. Like, come on now. And it's like, oh, you're a lash vendor? You sell lashes and all this stuff? Yes, baby. Yes. I sell lashes. And yes, you can buy them from me when I open. June the 9th. They'll be yours. And it was like, oh, I can't wait that long. I was like, okay, well, I don't do this because I'm not open for business, and that is my inventory, and I do have to count them. And it was like, okay, I don't want to mess up your inventory. I just wait. I'll be your first customer. I'm like, support a black-owned business. Okay. I'm sorry I'm opening late like that, but I feel as if I open early, I want to have everything ready. I want to have stuff ready, you know. And I did discontinue before I open. I discontinued these, and I might take them out this box and use them. Use my boxes for my lashes like this, so I just thought about that. Because since I discontinued them, they don't need my boxes. And I can't take them off the clear little thing because that was in there from the clear little thing. So they'll be discontinued and the boxes getting used for the lashes that I am happy to sell. I'm not happy with these lashes because one, the lash thread thing, it will break on you, and it don't hold longer, and plus it gets all up in your eye, hurts your eyes and all that stuff. And I'm not selling it that hurts my customers' eyes. You get what I'm saying? Like, you should be able to feel comfortable wearing lashes, you know. Hold on. Hey, have some text messages. So, for those, I will be needing these types of case. Since I did that, since I just came up with that while I'm recording. And how many box cases I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will go up in this type cases with these types. So now let's get back into the white type. Next, I'm gonna do the yellow orangey type thing. So, alrighty, get them in like that. It's my hair, my lashes messing with each other. They're messing with my eyes. Can y'all see the color? So pretty. So pretty. They are so pretty. That's why I closed the door, because my walls are not soundproof. They're thin, so you're going to hear what's going on out there either way. So I tend to close the door so it can limit that noise. But it's not working. It's not working. I just got to find a time when I need to record when everything is quiet, because it's not quiet right now. And I thought it was the perfect time to record. It's not. So I'm going to have to sit here and do boxes. We're going to do the boxes. Okay? So right there, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to do the boxes. And y'all want to know where this wig came from? It came from You Nice. You Nice I bought this with off of United, and I've been wearing it ever since. Like, it haven't even lost its taste, its color, nothing like that. Like, it's soft, it's humid. Like, yeah. On my wearing wet life, I've been wearing synthetic and some human. And I've been keeping up with the synthetic because some of the hardest wigs to keep up with. Because they get detangled and then to the point where you just got to throw it away. Because it's too detangled. I mean, it's not too detangled. It's too tangled. Oh, I could not get them open. I could not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna film. I had to make a YouTube. I mean a YouTube. Had to make a new gloss. I think I am gonna do that. And I don't want to make this video any more longer, so I'm gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna do the rest off camera. I'm sorry, but I don't want to be getting longer than it should be. So thank you for watching, babes. If you're new here, like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family, babe, because you're Egypt, babe. And Egypt, babes, if you're out here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Bye, Egypt, babes. Hey, you guys, this is Tat Chanel. We're back with another video. Hi, Egypt babes. If you're new here, please like, comment, subscribe. If you're old here, hey, what's up? How was your day? My day was good. So let's get into it. Today's video, we're going to be boxing my lashes. I already bought some of them off camera, so we're going to box the remaining ones on camera. My sons may pop up in here, like one of them just did, so yeah. So let's get into it. Yeah, baby. Don't touch the camera because it's going to fall, okay? And I don't want it falling in. Yeah. No. Yeah. No, y'all, I'm not pregnant. It's just the way my stomach looks, and I just got finished working out, so hopefully it goes down. Yeah, you gonna see the highlight of my show. Oh, who was that? Yeah. Just like that. They're pretty. And I think these are the ones that don't have a little color in them. But the ones I'm wearing, you pretty much basically can see the color. Alright. I'm going to put it in there like that. Yeah, let's get away from over here because you made it fall. Yeah. Big B. Let's play in the toy chest. Yeah. Yeah, let's play over there. All right, baby. Had to make sure the baby was safe. Because when he walked over here. He made it fall. And y'all might hear my other son. He might come in here. Yeah. So excited. These are so pretty. They are too pretty. And there go my other son.
Jasper.
Yeah, Jasper's in here. My other son might get in this camera and show his little face. See, there he go. Yeah. That's my son Josiah. That's the oldest one.
Brother, mom.